Welcome back to Creative Electron. Today we're looking at cable and wire and harness assembly with our TruView Cube. So again, this is our 6 by 6 inch table here. I've placed a cable that we have crimped. Turn on my x-ray with the click of a button, and here I have my image. So I can see the copper threads coming in here. They come all the way to the other side of the crimp, and everything is looking pretty tight on there. With x-ray, you can see through any outer molding, any extra harnesses that this gets inserted into. When you might lose your optical inspection of capabilities, you'll still be able to see through those things with our x-ray system. So with the TruView Cube, we have a 6 by 6 inch table, and if you're looking to automate that or semi-automate multiple cable or harness inspections, we have our larger benchtop unit, the TruView Prime, and our other system, the TruView Fusion, which have automated pathfinding that you can program to inspect several units that are on the table at once. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 760-752-1192, or visit us at creativeelectron.com. Thank you.